stop is superpower 1, stop. And it sounds like it would be the easiest superpower for us to use, but often it is the most challenging. Now, for a parent, it is very challenging to just stop, but I am going to encourage you to try and do it multiple times a day, every day. Just stop, freeze. Now, when you introduce this to your child or your children, I want you to do it using games. So there's games like red light, green light. So let's say you want to go for a walk or you have to get them somewhere. You have to get them to a class, get them into school. I want you to say, we're going to play a game. Be very excited about it. And we're going to play green light, red light. And when I say green, you're going to go. But when I say red, you're going to stop. And then what I'm going to encourage you to do is make the greens a little bit shorter, the reds, the stops, a little bit longer. And you're going to encourage them to freeze and not move or say anything. Now they think they're playing a game, but really what they're doing is they are learning that they are able to control their own body. Now I am also going to post in this description on this video different free songs that I have used for so many years that children love. So if you need a feel-good moment in your day with your children, have a freeze dance party. And this is so much fun. Do it with your children. Now, let's say you want to make dinner or you're doing something else. You can put these free songs on and encourage them to have fun and remind them to freeze and not move. Now, for an extra challenge, I would have them to try and do it without making a sound with their mouths. And in the beginning, it may be very challenging for them, but after a while, they will be able to do it because they will be practicing on how they can control their body. You can also take their favorite songs on a playlist and just pause them throughout the songs while you're playing with them. So have them move around, encourage them to move in all different ways. High, low, crawl, jump, march, run, move backwards, roll, tiptoe, to dance, to move in all different ways. And then pause the song and have them stop or freeze. And again, encourage them to keep their mouths quiet. And then you can make the pause short and then make it longer and longer and longer. So this will change the whole mood in your house. Practicing Superpower 1 Stop is a very feel-good superpower to practice, and it is super beneficial for you and for your children, and will be beneficial for the mood and energy and the social emotional well-being of your entire household. So remember, have fun being calm and have fun using Superpower 1 Stop.